what's up guys? Film Travels here. Today is our 13th year wedding anniversary and we just wanna do like a day trip to Amish country. We love going there even before. So yeah, we're just gonna go eat there and see things and whatnot. It's just the two of us. Our daughter is in my in-laws. I have an awesome in-laws here in the US, so whenever we want to have our alone time, we can do it anytime we want, and also if they have time available. But yeah, napaka-swerte ko sa in-laws ko kasi nandyan sila palagi para sa anak namin or sa apo nila. Yan, sila pa nga magtatampo kapag hindi ko ipapaalaga sa kanila yung anak ko.
Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never heard. All I wanted was to be loved. Enjoy the ride, cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time. You'll make it in time. Time. You'll make it in time. Time. You'll make it in time.
We're here. Their favorite.
Ribs, mashed potatoes, stuffing, Alaskan pull-up. Mrs. Yoder's Kitchen, Mount Hope, Ohio.
Enjoy the ride, cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while.
And we're going there inside. That's one of the places to see and do here in Amish country.
Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world.
Flower shop.
I feel like I was
In a flower shop. Ang cute. Super cute. Bumili ako ng bulaklak na pwede lang mabuhay ulit. Kasi mahal ang mga bulaklak dito eh. Kailangan yung pwede lang siyang mabuhay ulit. Ang cute ng mga hanging basket.